Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Wednesday. Time for laba-laba later. After work. Yeah. At tumatambak na ang labahin. Every 2 weeks ako naglalaba since I'm alone here. But when my daughter is here, weekly, yung mga itim, black, the color, and the white. So, mahilig kasi yung anak ko nung narito ng mga black, mga earth color siya. So, ayun. Ako lang yung mahilig ng makulay. Makulay sa suot. Ayun lang everyone. Time check is 4:08 nung lumabas ako sa bahay. Tapos, today is Wednesday. 12. Yeah, 12. 12 of February. So, how many days more? 2 days more for the Valentine's, no? Valentine's celebration. Ayan, and that's it at the moment. At paugtol-ugtol ang lakad ko because the weather is malamig pa rin, super cold yesterday but not now. So let us see, or getting what is happening the whole day of Wednesday. See you after 15 minutes and one bus. See you at the job site or after work na lang. Okay, bye at the moment. See you when I see you. Pleto. Kung anong nandun, meron din sila. Ayan, good morning. Oo. Everyone, kain tayo.
May mga bed ba doon?
Oh, sis! Kain na tayo, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Cloudy pa rin. So, pero hindi masyadong malamig. Yan. Time check. 3:24. Pasok tayo, everyone. Sa iba. Other side of London. Aldgate naman tayo, everyone. Ayun. No more stress. Dahil nakatulog yata ako. Yeah, nakatulog, nakaidlip. In spite of nakalaba, nakasampay, yung ganun. Oh, bukas ulit ang laba. Kasi wala tayong lakad, walang ganap. So, work and home lang tayo tomorrow. So that's it at the moment. See you after 2 trains, everyone. God bless and later again. Pag hindi ako naging lazy maglabas ng video kasi minsan sa gabi malamig. Sa ngayon, hindi nilalamig yung kamay ko. Wala akong gloves. So, let us see later. So, yan lang muna at ito, tawid ako ng pedestrian. Baka may mga masungit na driver. Bye! Everyone, nandito na ako. Kalabas na sa train station and maliwanag pero umaambon. Grabe, diba? Kaya hindi ako masyado nakakapag-vlog. Ito pala yung dating ano ko sa inyo. Police Public Goal Post. Yan. Yan yung original. Police telephone. Free for use of public. The telephone is no longer operational. Be sure nearby by payphone. Dati siya yan. Diyan. Pagtawag ka ng police. Pero ngayon, hindi. Ayun. So, dito muna tayo. Ang aga pa, everyone. 16:03 lang. Kasi na-shoot ko lahat ng train. Na hindi ako nakapag-wait ng mga 3 minutes sa station. So, ayun everyone. See you later after my work. At hopefully makauwi kami ng maaga ngayon ulit. Kaya at the moment, go na. Go na. The green light is on the go, everyone. Bye. See you when I see you, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here. Time check is 4:12. So, alas 4:02. So, ayan, everyone. Magpalit tayo ng uniform. Medyo mainit dito sa loob. Mainit. Over ang heater nila. Tapos silang malamigan and ulan. So, ako'y naiinitan. So, ayun yung everyone. See you later. Maaga pa, 4:30 ako mag-start. Wala pa yung aking mga kulig. Mga kulig-ligi. So, ayun lang. See you after 4 hours, everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening, everyone. Wow. Kanina pa ako dito. Ayan ang pagkain ko. Inabot na ako ng 9:45. 9:38. Wow. No, 9:39 everyone. While watching YouTube.